Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we will learn how to set the dark mode in POCO F3 GT smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to swipe down the quick panel. So in the default there is no icon displayed. You need to swipe up again to access the extra icons. Now you can find the dark mode icon here. So this is a dark mode icon, you need to click that. Now the phone entered to the dark mode. So you can find the app drawer is all come to the dark mode, also settings. So if you want to disable that, again you need to swipe down the quick panel and then also again swipe down, then you need to disable the dark mode. Now the phone entered to the light mode. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.